heart of Dehradun, there is a place where joy and learning dance together. Welcome to Uttarakhand Institute of Aviation Technology, Dehradun campus, where everyday celebration is knowledge. UIIT offer aircraft maintenance, engineering, AME and BSc Aeronautics, in association with Heritage Aviation and IRDT Dehradun. Students at Uttarakhand Institute of Aviation Technology can expect a lot of practical training to polish and perfect their skills. The institute is home to various labs, including Electrical Lab, Instrument Lab, Radio Navigation Lab, Engine Lab, Airframe Lab, NDT, and Composite Lab and Battery Charging Lab. As aviation grows, so does the demand for certified, skilled aircraft maintenance engineers. Our graduates don't just find jobs, they earn careers across India and across continents. We don't just teach aviation, we maintain the future.